So let me show you step by step on how to do it. After you open up now your mobile phone, go to the Snapchat. After you open the Snapchat, now go to this gallery icon to upload the image, or you can tap on this. You can tap on this icon, this camera icon to take a picture or a video. Let's say I want to send this one. After I take the picture or the video, now don't tap on this snap. Now close the Snapchat. After you close the Snapchat and remove it from the minimize section, now go and open it again. After you open the Snapchat again, now it will give you the previous image or the video that you closed the Snapchat with it. Now go and tap on this sound and customize it. You can just customize it. After you finish customizing it by adding it filter and everything, just tap on this now send button. And then now select the person you want to send him. So I'll go with this one. And then tap on this send button. So now we send the Snapchat without any media upload. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.